back again with another episode of Fast Car Checks, and today we're here at ES Motor, home to the world's fastest Porsches. Crazy cars in here, crazy builds and cool people. So today we're just going to be having a little rundown on like what cars are here, what's changed since I last came in here, because I have made a video here before and I actually have been out in their shop car. So like I said, today we're just having a little catch up and going to be going through some of the cars just to see what's here. But if I turn this camera around, they got mad cool cars here. Cars like this 911 Turbo S, which I believe to be running around 1150 brake horsepower. For the American viewers, this would be about 900 wheel brake horsepower. So crazy car. And they obviously got the cab 911 Turbo S here as well. So yeah, like I said, it's a beautiful car as well. I've actually been out in one of these before. Not from ES Motor, but these cars just drive absolutely phenomenal. If I turn it around here again, Porsche GT2 RS, more of a track weapon, more rather than a, you know, a tuned up, modified straight line weapon. There's a couple of cars inside as well, which I'll show you around.
Shadow on the beat. Shadow on the beat.
Yeah man, so obviously we got Mark now is just about to go out in the 1500 brake horsepower.
1500. I'll show on the car.
Yeah, just about to hit the roads in this. Listen to it. I'm gonna plug the GoPro in, so he's gonna have the GoPro in there. So this is 1,000 wheel right now, yeah?
Right, about 1,000 wheel, yeah.
Amazing, brother. No, man. So you drive a car like this all the time, yeah?
Yeah.
I just need to go.
And you got a car like this yourself?
Yeah, I've got one.
Yeah.
Have to when you work at ES Energy. So yeah, then. So this is obviously because we got the camera rolling and that. So right now we're running on. What the hell? Yo! Whoa! What the? Told you, man.
I was like, no, I'm dead.
That's what I'm saying. Jesus! Oh my God! Jeez!
Put the roof down.
Yeah, let's get the roof down. Let's get the roof down. Yeah, because they'll have more headspace then anyway, innit?
Jesus, Lord, the brakes obviously have to be really good on this, yeah. Well. What the hell, Bob? What the
drop top to the hard tops?
No, I prefer hard.
For the hard tops, yeah, hard tops.
How can they make a car so fast, bruv?
This is what I'm trying to show you, Marcus, man.
What the hell, Bishop? What the? Never been anything like this.
And they
Oh
handle
my
well as well,
God.
innit?
Yeah,
Huh?
They handle well as well.
Yeah, he handles nice.
I'm gonna have a heart attack, Holmes.
It's like a fun fair ride, isn't it?
Wow. Bishop.
Yeah.
Have you been in cars like this before, bruv?
Yeah, but I went in the faster version of this, bro.
What? Faster? But my heart can't even take it. I don't think I can take it. This is a lot, my heart. Oh my gosh.
And the turbos as well, you can hear the turbos whistling.
Yeah, really.
This is amazing. It's amazing. Amazing and scary. Jesus, Lord have mercy. Aye. Oh, the turbo sounds
Yeah, it
insane.
sounds mad.
What?
This is illegal, this sort of level, Margie.
My ears are popping as well.
Yeah,
so
man. It's this different level, G.
I'm stunned.
On the runways, these cars must, because that's where you really need to unleash a car like this, isn't it?
Bro, on the runway, these cars are they're good, man. Like
It's
on a
mental.
half mile, you get over 200, which is
Yeah,
mad.
yeah. What's the 100 to 200 on a car like this then?
And convertible.
Yeah,
You'll get in the twos.
in the twos.
Yeah, you'll get them in the twos. 100%.
Yeah.
Now I know what 2 seconds sounds like. Now this is looks it's in 2 seconds.
Right now, it's probably like 3.4, 3.5.
In this 4 minutes.
Yeah, in this 4.
Yeah, yeah,
Not with 3 man up.
yeah. Yeah, this is mad, man.
Bro, man's got, look how old he's holding on to his hand up.
I'm not mucking around here, man.
But they're all at the top, innit? They're all at the top of the leaderboard.
We've
These
been on
cars,
top
innit?
for ages.
Yeah.
But I respect it.
Yeah, man.
Like
That's why when I was going to tell you,
it's scary.
it's
but-
like that's what I was going to say to you. It's a different level where we're going today,
you're
innit?
not ready.
And like I said, big up to you, bro. Anyway, man. For
Not ready.
Yeah.
getting man out in the car and that, innit? Don't experience cars like this much.
they're
You know
full.
what I'm saying? Like, how does it feel as driving the car? Does
Bro,
it feel
like calm. Honestly,
Yeah.
it's controllable. You don't feel like you're gonna crash it. Like, obviously, you need to be careful what other people are gonna do on the
Yeah.
road, but
Yeah.
it's controllable, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So.
Yeah, it's a machine, man. Absolute machine. And you boys do this all day, not the driving, the actual tuning.
Yeah,
Cars like this all day long, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the brake horsepower again, bro?
Right now, I think it's about 1,000 wheel.
Okay.
Yeah. I'd say about 1,000, yeah.
Yeah.
But the good thing is bro, it's about the drivability, innit? Like, look, it still drives, obviously it's a lot louder.
Yeah.
You hear the turbo, you hear the exhaust, but it still drives like a stock car.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, there's not many cars that you can do that with, innit?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Like, even now, we're just cruising at 40
And
miles
it's
an hour.
good, innit? Yeah.
And,
Has this got stock clutches as well, then, is it?
nah, it's got dots and clutch.
Okay, yeah.
But you can't feel it.
Yeah.
It's good the way they've done the dots and clutch.
Yeah. Right, so we got the draggy, we're going to do a quick 0 to 60. I've just lost my hat. I've just lost my hat.
Oh, no mercy!
And the 0 to 60. Yeah, 2.68 then, sorry, my
Well,
piece.
that's not the first ever
Yeah, 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 it is. Yeah, it is.
I don't know, blood. What?
With 3 man up in a convertible.
Yeah, man.
But you see, all the, bro, I'm not sure if you felt it, but literally the whole car was spinning.
Yeah,
it was.
yeah, yeah,
Like,
it was.
literally
Yeah,
the whole
yeah,
car
yeah.
was spinning.
Whoa, and I lost
Listen,
my
I got
hat.
your hat. I got it back.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, it came flying into my face. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah. I'm have to, do you know what? I'm not even gonna put it back on. I'm not even gonna put it back on.
Wow. I think I'm ready to go back to the pub, yeah? For real, I'm good.
He's had enough, Jay.
Yeah, my heart can't take no more.
Yeah. It's a mental machine, that one, yeah.
So you would have got 9, this is a 9-second car, isn't it?
Oh, easily.
It's an 8-second
It's
car.
an 8-second, yeah.
8-second
Oh,
car
but-
on race fuel.
On race fuel,
yeah,
On pump
okay.
fuel, it would do like a 9.4,
Yeah.
9.3. Probably even quicker, depending on
Yeah.
the.
Yeah.
Misha, this is the best day.
Yeah,
This is the
that's what I'm
best day
saying.
today. Today is the
I
best day.
I had to take you to these, man, because I said, this is where it's at.
This is the best day today, Mish. I'm not gonna lie. I bet it's the best car I've ever been in my life. I don't think I'm ever gonna go in a faster car than this ever again. 0 to 60, how much we shot? 6.2.
No, it's like 2.6, 3-man up.
And look, quarter mile in 10 seconds.
Yeah,
Flat.
yeah. But the thing is about this, it can go more. We're only literally running on pump fuel. Yeah, 1,000 brake horsepower.
Yeah, you would never think this is a 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds.
Yeah.
Maybe you think 3 seconds, 3.5.
Yeah.
2.6 seconds.
Different, and it would do quicker.
Yeah.
It would do easily quicker. If you was just one man up with race fuel, bro, you'd be in the ones. You'd be in the ones
Best, I would
easily.
say this, well, the best experience I've ever had in my life in terms of like thrill. The best thrill I've ever had in my life. My 38 years on this earth, that's the best thrill.
Come
I
on.
mean, theme park rides, but all over the world, this is the best.
Yes,
doubt
no
about that.
BS. Oh no, so yeah, man, we're just fresh out of the car anyway, man. You hear that, brother? There's nothing in his life he's going in faster, he said.
Imagine when it's on race fuel.
Race fuel, yeah, it's in the ones, isn't it? The 0-60 be in the ones, isn't it? Easy.
If you can get the if
Launch
it's
right,
straight, then
yeah. And it's not about the 0 to 60 on cars like this either. It's more about 100 to 200, things like that, innit? Do you know what I mean?
If you're at a Santa pod,
Yeah.
the right tires obviously on top, bro. We'll be in the low ones. Man.
Yeah, that's what I said, yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
It's just about because these launch really well. So, bro, like even then when we launched, you could feel up until 30
Yeah.
I was spinning the whole car.
Yes.
You could feel on steering wheel.
Yeah.
Even then with what 3-man up, roof down, we got 2.6.
Yeah.
So imagine if it was just me and you in the car with
Yeah.
the roof up, I'd probably get like a 2.2.
Yeah,
With
and it's a
roof up.
cab as well, so
And
they're
it's a
always a
cab.
little bit more heavier than the
The
so
aerodynamics were different. Everything was different with the roof down.
what would it, yeah, that's true. What would this car weigh then? About 1700 kilos, you reckon?
No, I think a hard top one is
Yeah.
1600.
So this is in the
probably more.
17s.
This is in the 17s.
Okay,
Even
yeah.
1800 if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
It's got some heavy Watsons as well.
Yeah, what are
If you
these,
look at
22 inch?
22 inch, yeah.
22 inch wheels,
So there.
3-man deep,
Roof down.
roof down.
All the aerodynamics were against us, but still, 2.6 is mad.
Mad, man. Now, big up these, man, because I said every time I come up here, they show respect. They bring me out the maddish machines. They don't just bring out the slow ones, they bring out the heavy hitters. And anybody that knows ES Motor in the UK, even around the world, this isn't just a UK thing, this is around the world, will know these guys build proper machines. Do you know what I mean? I think even just like a bolt-on stage 1 package will have your car in the 900 brake horsepower territory, wouldn't it? About 8 or not, like brake horsepower.
No, you need a bit more mod than that.
Okay.
Exhaust tune, probably a little bit of a turbo, depending on what car you got.
Yeah.
991's different, 992 is different.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, you can get over 800 horsepower.
Yeah.
With just a stage 2 in one of these.
And what does this car consist of? Because obviously we've been out in the car.
What in terms of numbers?
Not numbers, like what is this package? Like what's the
Oh,
bolt-ons and on this car?
The engine's built engine. We've got bigger turbos on there, titanium exhaust. So it's basically the whole lot.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
the whole lot.
Yeah. Mad, man. I don't know, if you mind discussing figures, like for people that may watch this. How much would a package like this cost?
It's well over 100 grand.
Okay. Yeah.
So the package like this is well over 100 grand.
Yeah. And it's a mad machine. Like I've been in the shop car, which was crazy, but that was maybe a year ago now. Yeah, so even just going out in that again, just refresh my memory. It's a ride. It's like a boxing match. You know what I mean? You come out of it, and Marcus knows now. Yeah. What did that feel like, bro?
I went on a Porsche in Australia, that was
Yeah.
0 to 60 in about 2-3 seconds.
Yeah, but that was a track car.
This one is faster.
Yeah.
That wasn't the turbo one.
Yeah.
That was on the bed motors.
Last time when
Yeah.
you went on it, that had race fuel.
Yeah.
With race
Oh
fuel,
yes,
it's
it did, didn't it?
different.
Yeah.
But even this on pump fuel, man, the 992s are just different.
Yeah.
Yeah, as a driver, they're a lot easier to drive.
Yeah.
The 991s, bro,
A bit more of a handful,
a bit more
yeah.
of a handful. Like with this, you don't I don't come off until 4th, 5th gear.
Yeah.
With that, 3rd gear I have to come
Yeah.
off.
So this is a bit more driver friendly.
This is more-
Yeah.
You feel safer in it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nah, bro, I have to say, man, Jay, you bless, man, every single time, man. It's like I said, like, to be honest with you, to even see a car like this, like, it's hard to even find people with these cars, you know, someone on my channel, let's just say. So to be able to actually come direct to the source here, and them guys just take me out in a customer's car, and, you know, it's nice feeling, man. As I said, I'm not like the biggest YouTuber in the UK. I'm just doing my thing and starting out pretty much, I guess. But yeah, man, let's get some zooms off this anyway.
Shadow on the beat.
Yeah, man, so obviously it has come to the end of the video. Big up to ES Motor each and every time for, like I said, letting this happen and letting me get a look around the shop, and of course taking us out in this deadly Porsche 911 Turbo S. Like I said, if you guys got a Porsche at home, ES Motor, give them a call, find them on Instagram, YouTube. Obviously they drop videos every single Sunday, so make sure you're tapped in to cars like this. They go more in depth into their tuning and what they do on the channel. I have been here before, so if you want to go back and watch the video I done in the shop car, the link, I'll leave it now in the description for that. I've also done another video where I've done the tuning side of things as well. That's also in the description. And make sure you get giving them guys a follow and subscribe to their channel and subscribe to this channel. Marcus is obviously, like, this is his first time coming in the car. So shout out to Marcus, obviously, for, you know, braving the big bad Porsche, you know what I mean, and the reactions and stuff. But yeah, I don't know how much you picked up whilst we was in the car, audio wise, but again, like I said, listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been an absolute epic blast, and you know the vibes, yeah. Next episode of Fast Car Checks coming soon.